Okay, I will show how to rename your analog stick inputs so they are a little more user-friendly if you're not using our system for airplanes. So by default in ETHOS, the mixer and analog inputs have conventional airplane naming conventions like aileron, elevator, throttle, and rudder. These may not make particular sense if you're using the system for a ground vehicle or a robot or for puppeteering. So you can rename the sticks by going to the system button or pressing the gear icon and then go to sticks. And for the throttle stick, I will change the name to LJoy -Y. For the rudder, it will be LJoy -X. And that's your Y and X left joystick axis. And similarly, for the elevator and aileron, they will be RJoy -Y and RJoy -X, which are the Y and X on the right joystick. And also, because this has the rotational sliders and the momentary push buttons, you can rename those under the hardware for the sliders. You can say L rotate and R rotate. And for the switches, you can change them to L push and R push. Now on your mixer setup, your mixes will retain the names that were already assigned to them. So you will need to make sure to name the mix and the outputs according to their actual function, like you normally would.